Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. Recently, the price of SushiSwap is once again rejected by this very long-term resistance zone from $1.60 and it goes to $2. You can see that recently after the breakout from this bed, the price and broke it out. By the way, we are watching on the 7 day time frame chart. And after that, we had a very, very nice pump. The target for this breakout from this Fed that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the wedge at $2.10, but the price then rallied beyond that target and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.75. By the way, this $2.75 has been previously breaking as a very strong support here from the month of Feb 2022 up till the month of March 2022. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And this time after the breakout from this wedge, price line was rejected and we broke down this support of $2. That is, by the way, complete support zone from $2 to $1.60. And now the price line was trying to break out this resistance zone once again from $1.60 to $2, but got rejected. And now it is dropped down to the next support here at $1.25. That was recently breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it was working as a resistance, and now again, it is working as support. After the breakout, it is flipped into a support. At the same time, we are also having a very nice support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several months, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again, very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And I would also like to show you this very massive trade signal for SushiSwap. That is, by the way, a quite long-term trade signal that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap. And this move I shared on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And it was a harmonic bullish reversal guardly pattern that SushiSwap completed on a 2 hour time frame chart with with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me just show you this long-term trade setup for SushiSwap. This Garley pattern was, by the way, formed on a 2 hour time frame chart, this one that we were watching a few moments ago. And this is another harmonic bullish reversal Garley pattern that SushiSwap has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this move is a quite long-term move, and I shared this signal on 23rd of June 2022 with my members. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone. By the way, the sense target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish candle pattern start from $12.47 and goes to $19.56. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SushiSwap. And here you can see that recently we broke out this falling wedge pattern, this smaller falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, for a while, we broke out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. But after the rejection by this next resistance of $2.75, now the price line has broken down this support zone, and now again it is flipped into resistance. This is a very long-term resistance zone. Previously, it had been working at the resistance zone here, resistance on here. For several months, it had been working at the resistance zone. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price and of SushiSwap. Now we need to keep an eye on these two very significant supports. One is the exponential moving average 21 on the 7 day time frame, and the next one is $1.25. Now you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.